Alright, I'm over here getting busy real quick. As you can see, this is an Audi A6. This basically had a vacuum leak. Alright, already technically located the issue where I had to replace, the housing here. So as you can see, the parts down here. Okay, so now you can see basically where the issue lied. Alright. So right now, getting this together real quick. Then once I get everything done, I'm gonna throw the scan tool on there, check the system for the throttle position sensor and the O2 sensors and things like that to make sure things is running properly, so that I don't see if anything is running lean or rich. All right.